Experiencing voicemail problems on Boost Mobile? Let's address common issues. First, ensure you have a strong network connection, as voicemail relies on call forwarding. For setup failures, dial 86, create a 410-digit password, and record a greeting. If this fails, check your phone's LTE 5G connection and enable Call Forward Busy and Call Forward No Answer, 92 znak. If you're not receiving messages, the box might be full. Delete old voicemails by dialing 86, then 1, then 3. SIM card issues? Try swapping your SIM card or visiting a Boost store for assistance. If you encounter access errors or password lockouts, start with a hard reset by dialing 2228 to update your PRL, then dial 86 to reset voicemail. Another method is to use the Boost Mobile app or the online portal at boostmobile.com to verify account settings and manage voicemail directly. In the app, you can manage voicemail directly, and it offers AI-driven voice transcription for easier reading of messages. Consider using the visual voicemail feature in the app for easier management of your messages. Remember, keeping your app updated and disabling VPNs can prevent access issues. If you're still having trouble, contact Boost Mobile support at 1-888-266-2278.